third step in assembling the mini etching press is to start the passive side tie rods. The tie rods have bearings on them, and on one end what's called a jam nut. And if you examine each side piece, you'll find a little bit of difference. For one thing, the active side piece holes are threaded. They're going to take the tie rod this way. They're threaded. Whereas on the passive side piece, they're just not threaded at all. They just slip in and out. That's a big difference. To start out, you run this jam nut all the way down to the nut that holds the bearing. You do that for all 4 tie rods because you're going to need that space, as you'll see in another step. Then the passive side piece, you slide the tie rods into those holes. That's the end with the jam nut. And you set that aside.